5 colorful birds. 5 colorful birds sat in a tree. The bluebird flew to the door, and then there were 4. 4 colorful birds sat in a tree. The finch flew to the bench, and then there were 3. 3 colorful birds sat in a tree. The cardinal flew to the zoo, and then there were 2. 2 colorful birds sat in a tree. The hummingbird flew to the sun, and then there was 1. 1 colorful bird sat in a tree. The woodpecker flew to the hamburger bun, and then there was none. The 5 colorful birds flew back to the tree. The woodpecker, the hummingbird, the cardinal, the finch, and the bluebird. They looked up to the sky, and what did they see? What could that be? They saw an eagle soaring. What a sight to see!